you guys, so we're about to start painting. I just wanted to show you guys the stuff I bought. They actually arrived today. The AliExpress delivery guy, he called me and he came to deliver them. So you pay 500 naira per package, so I paid 1,000 because I received 2 packages. But I ordered this really nice rattan basket, and this is what it looks like. It is so cute. I think it was like $7 or $8. I don't remember how much shipping was though, but yeah, on AliExpress unfortunately you have to pay for shipping. And when it came, it was actually bent. I don't know if you guys can see, but like one of the handles is, this one is straight and this other one was bent, but I tried to bend it a bit, but it started to sound like it was going to break, so I just left it away because I don't want problem. And then you guys, oh my god, like see, my house tour might finally be coming soon because I've been waiting for so many things I ordered for my living room. I feel like my living room is so, like, it's still so empty. The couch has been naked for over a year, so I finally started getting like little stuff for my living room, and they started to arrive. These are like throw pillow covers I got for my couch. There are 4 of them in here. They are so nice. I had been looking for throw pillow covers like this, and I saw them on Amazon for like maybe $40, but I ended up buying them on AliExpress. I think they were like $10, but then the only thing was that shipping was probably the same amount, so I probably paid like 20 something bucks for this in total. The quality is amazing. Like, I'm shook, honestly. The last thing that's here is my contact paper, the one that I told you guys I ordered last week. I think it's finally here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of has this wood like print on it. It is so cute. I'm going to be using it to cover all of these like cabinets, so all of this will be white when I'm done. Thank you. Actually about to start painting. There's a lot of stain on the wall. When I moved here, I actually didn't paint the walls because they were already white and I felt like they weren't that dirty, so I decided to just keep them. As you can see, it looks horrible now, so I'm just going to be painting it. You guys don't want to know what that is. Honestly, you do not want to know what that was. We bought a bucket of white paint. Hopefully it's enough. And you guys remember when I got the like paint rollers and the brush and the tray as well from ShopRite. So yeah, I have some help. So yeah, we're going to try to paint this kitchen now. My sister is actually in surgery. I've been waiting here for a minute. I don't know what's going on with her, like what they're doing. I've been waiting here for like almost 40 minutes at this point. Let me try to show you guys. That's the way into the theater. Yeah, I'm just waiting here. Apparently, this is like waiting. Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like this is the first proper like intro I'm doing for the vlog. I haven't really like talked since this vlog started. This week has just been one of those weeks that you can't really plan. I think it was 2 days ago that my sister had surgery. It was nothing too serious, it was just like a really minor procedure. She had to just take something out really quick. She's doing a lot better. She came back home the same day, so she's just been like trying to feel better. I've been working on my kitchen, nothing major, so I haven't really had enough time to just pick up my camera to vlog. But today I have time to say hello. I hope you guys are doing okay. We're actually about to go out now. We're going to meet up with my dad. I washed my hair earlier today. I just put it into 2 flat twists, just something really quick that I can go out with. My hair isn't even dry yet, but I'm just going to manage it like that. Anyway, I just wanted to come on here and like properly say hi in this vlog. Then I'll probably take you guys along wherever we go to. So yeah, let's head out. And first of all, I am currently dying. Like, not dying, God forbid, I won't die in Jesus' name, but like, my period started and I am like, cramps are killing me. Like, it's honestly really bad. I feel like the older I've gotten, the worse my cramps have gotten. I know there was a time when I didn't have cramps at all, but like, it's actually ridiculous. I'm in so much pain, it makes no sense. But I have to take my sister to the hospital. She has to take her stitches out today. Hi guys. It's the sister here. Stitches are going out today. I'm a good parfait maker. You're a good parfait maker. My sister made us parfaits. It's just Greek yogurt and fruits in between. She made it look really cute though. I really like it. We're going to have our parfaits on the go. Most likely. It looks really good. I can't wait to eat it. When we get back, I'm going to like, God, I've been up since 5. Like, my cramps woke me up by 5. Woke me out of my sleep actually. That's how bad they've been. So when we come back, I'm just going to try to like rest a bit. And I actually wanted us to go out today, but I don't know, we'll see. I think we'll still go out because I don't even want to be in this mood today where it's like I just have cramps and I'm lying down. Like, I don't want that to be the vibe for today. So while we're out, I'll probably just get some pain meds, and then when we come back, I'll rest a bit, and then we'll probably go out like maybe later in the evening, just go chill somewhere. Yesterday we went to Keje. That was like last minute. We came up with it last minute, like it was super random. Just chilled and had drinks and stuff, and then we came back home. So yeah, we'll probably find somewhere to go later today because it's Friday. So we'll see how the day goes, but right now we're about to go to the hospital so this madam can take out her stitches. Okay, we just got to the hospital. I didn't wear sunscreen and this sun is to die. Like, it's trying to kill me. Sorry. Does it hurt? If you really hurt it, I won't be screaming. Doesn't hurt that bad though. Nice one. So she'll stop what she's taking now and start with the other one, right? Okay. You never like the one you're taking now?
Oh, seriously?
This girl, she's
So what do you not like?
she does not like anything.
It's so big, like I just have to break it into two sometimes.
We're done from the hospital. Her stitches couldn't come off today. Okay, say it yourself.
Hey guys, so we're done at the hospital. My stitches couldn't come out today because, well, the injury or whatever, the scar or whatever.
It hasn't healed properly yet. It's still bringing out like a bit of fluid.
Yeah,
So they're just switching her antibiotics, putting her on something else.
yeah, exactly.
And then we're coming back like next week Tuesday, I think.
So we'll come back on Tuesday and check it out.
Yeah, we'll come back on Tuesday and they'll be able to take out the stitches then for
Hopefully,
sure.
'cause
For
I'm
no,
tired of
by Tuesday they'll be able to. Yeah, we're going to go get the new medication now and then we'll go home.
And you guys, like if I'm your favorite sibling.
Why do you always say that? They haven't even met any other sibling. They've not met any other sibling. Oh my god. Alright you guys, I'm back home and I just got this package. I want to quickly unbox it. I ordered a robe from this brand and they just delivered it today. Okay, this is what it looks like. The packaging is really cute though. The name of the brand is Indulge by, I think, Sei or something like that. Guys, I splurged on this robe, you guys. This thing was 15,000. I'd never thought I'd buy a robe for 15k, but I really needed a robe. I have content I'm working on for a brand, so I really wanted a really nice robe, so I had to just splurge on it. So these are their cards. Indulge by Sei or Seye. I don't know how it's said. And then this just says Indulge. And then this is the actual robe. It's like a light pink color. I just hope it fits because they said it was one size fits all. And I really don't know about that. Yeah, I have a lot of flesh. Oh, you guys, it actually looks really nice. Like, the material is very, it is so soft. Oh my god, it's way softer than my other robe. I actually see the difference. It's not bad at all. And then it just has a U right here. The skirt is not bad. The material is nice on the skin. Oh, not bad at all.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what